Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add Binance chain into your Metamask wallet. So first of all, click on your Metamask wallet. Now open setting, scroll down, click on networks. Now click on add new network. Here I have added some detail into the description. Just copy it. First of all, copy this detail, add it into new RPC URL. Name your Binance network Binance Smart Chain ID. Where you can use two IDs. Just choose first 0x38. Now currency symbol as per your need, and Binance Explorer. Just use it. BSC scan or save. So here it's done. Now your Binance chain is added. As you can see, just click on this and you will see view in Explorer. Here is your Binance wallet. In this you can receive BNB or BSC chain tokens. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more videos.